welcome back to my channel, and today I have a craft haul. You guys haven't seen one of these in a while. I have a bunch of more stuff up here, so I do have quite a few different goodies here. So I purchased for like two things. Well, I purchased a lot of things, okay? So this one I was super excited about. This is the waffle flower. This is their tree bundle, and this makes a 3D pop-up tree. And I am so excited. I'm not gonna open all of them, but I really wanted to open this guy up. So this, you can see here that all these tabs go in here. And then this guy it's a separate one, but you use a pull tab from this one. In this one, these guys, it makes the mechanism. But this is like a rounded pop-up tree. So if it was like the tree, it would be like this and then pop up. And then this one does the same thing, but there's like flaps. So it's like, here's the tree and then, oh, it's popped up. So super cool. Also has the stamp set on the back. And it's actually a really nice pocket. Oh, I didn't do that right. But yeah, so that is the stamp set. It's just a simple one, but that tree actually covers, which I put away, this guy, and I put it on the wrong side. Oh, I get it. It's for this guy, or like in between this part, like right there. Because that's the back, so that's actually the front. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So yeah, I'm excited to do a card with those. And thankfully my mom doesn't watch my videos. If she does, she's gonna see this one. I'm making her a card, and I needed this specific one. I needed one that was similar, and this is the closest one I could get because the other one's not made anymore. So this is a stencil. And then of course, we have some of the dies. All right, the dies are super cute. So this one actually is in addition to, I don't know, I haven't done a video with it, but this one is for the normal pop-up box. That's like a shadow box. It's not the scallop one that opens like this. It's just like the little pop-up box. So this is the aqua like add-on. Let's see what it's actually called. It is Shadow Box Ocean, like Card Ocean. So it's like the water add-on. And then these I thought were super, super cute. So these are to do the pop-up, but I thought this would be kind of cute for like Christmas time if it was like an ornament. And it, like, you can see this right here actually makes a score line, so you can open it like that. So that's where you would tape your front and your back, that kind of score line there. And then it just opens. Super cute. And then this one, there we go. This actually makes a pop-up that is like this and then kind of opens up like this. It's really cool. I wish, oh, they do have a sample on the back. Do they have, oh, they did, okay. So that's the shadow box one. You can see, like, how cute is that? And then this is, it lays flat. I'll bring it up some. Well, I guess I can zoom in. Be logical here. There we go, away from my glare. So it's actually compact in the actual card, and then when you open it up, it's opened like that. Like, super cute, so excited. And then this I think I made a mistake on, because I think I have it already. So I searched the shadow box, and I think it came back with this box and not the shadow box, so I think I have two of these. If not, yay me, but I feel like I do. It's something in me, well, I know I have one because it's the order, but like, I think I have it already, but that's what I get for not looking at my stuff first. Even though I took inventory, but I didn't put this in. So I need to update my inventory. All right, so let's get on to some inks. So I picked up some new inks. I picked up Noble Fir, which this one I don't have. I have celery stick and fresh cut grass, and I thought this one would be a perfect one to add. I do have chili pepper, which is the red one. So this is more like for Christmas, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to add it. If you cut out these the tree pop-ups, like the little like these guys, and then maybe come in and ink a little bit with that, you know, kind of ink blend, but not like fully ink blend. Anyway, and then I got an orange, which is fake tan. I do have carrot, but this is a deeper orange. And then I have plastic flamingo because obviously you need a bright, bright pink. I do have some other ones, but I definitely wanted this one, but it was sold out when I was originally ordering. And then I loved this light blue one, which is Moonstone, and I'm trying to get all of the inks, so I'm adding them slowly, but surely I am getting there. And then we'll move on to these guys. So I picked up some fine embossing powders. So with all these new sentiments that are coming out, there's a lot of ones that are small, and I really wanted to stick with these guys because they have like the clear tops. But white, I mean white is white. I'll probably still store them upside down. This is how I store them. But yeah, so I got fine embossing. And then this is by Ranger. I don't know, there we go. So I got gold, silver, black, and then I picked up a white from Avery Elle. So I wanted to get these guys. And then I'm filling in some, little freebie, some ribbon, perfect for the holidays. I wanted to pick up some Copics to kind of start filling in my gaps. So I picked up quite a few light colors this time because I tend to go for more of the vibrant colors, which obviously I added the 2 neons because I was missing those, but I thought this would be super, like a really good time to add some of these pale colors. I'm trying to get into some more skin tones, so I definitely went with the darker E44 because I have the other colors that would make a deeper skin tone. And then again, I went in with some of the lighter ones, and then I did a pale yellow over here, and then a pale pink, super, super cute. Like, it almost looks very neutral, like, it's very light pink. Does that make sense? And then this one is also a pale pink, but like this one's like super pale. Like that one looks like dark pink compared to that one. Although that one makes it look more pink now. So yeah, I wanted to add some lighter colors and finish off my neons. And then there were a bunch of the other ones that were sold out. So these are the ones that were left that I needed. I mean, there was a lot more left, but for what I wanted to purchase, because Copics are expensive. They're about $8 a piece, but they were on sale for $5. So I got a much better deal. Instead of $8, they were $5. So yes, I definitely am excited about this, and I'm hoping to do a few more card videos in there, kind of add a few more things to, you know, spice it up. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.